Okay, welcome back. So in the previous episode, I showed you how to load this image of Ronaldinho from the disk and show it in a window. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load an image from a website, okay, an image from the internet basically. So what I didn't show you from the previous video was that when you press any key on this keyboard, this window is supposed to go away because of this code here. It says cv2.wait key 0, which means it should wait indefinitely until a key is pressed. And once a key, so this cv2.wait key here is a blocking call. Once the interpreter reaches here, it's not going to execute any line that follows unless you press a key. So now I press any key, and as you can see, the window has gone away. Okay, so how do we load images from the internet? We need another module called scikit-image. Actually, scikit-learn is a module that has implementations of various algorithms for classical machine learning, and they have a separate module called scikit-image for image manipulations and performing machine learning operations on images. And it has a cool function in there for us to load images. Okay, so I am going to show you how to install scikit-image and then use it to load images from the internet. So with your virtual environment activated, I'm going to do pip install scikit-image. Okay, so this is how we install scikit-image, and then we use it to load images from the disk. And basically, I apart from teaching you how to do stuff, I also want to show you how to Google things. So just in case you didn't know, you didn't chance on this video and you wanted to know how to do it, you can always come here, do load image from URL with scikit, and there is always an answer there, scikit-image. So let's see what Stack Overflow is going to give us. So you can see they have a function called io.imread, which is very similar to what we have in OpenCV. Okay, and the person was actually good enough to paste the documentation here for you as well, so you know which function to call and from which library it is coming from. Okay, so let's try. We saw that we need scimage, so I'll say import scimage. Okay, and then so over here I'll just say scimage.io.imread. But if I don't want to do that, then I can rather say from scimage import io. So now I can say io, and what this is actually doing is I'm using the io function in the scimage module to read an image from a URL. So over here we need a URL, not something that references a file on our file system. So let's go to the browser. I opened this earlier on. Is a place where you can get pictures and URLs to them. So which one is nice, which one is nice, which one is nice? Let's download this tree. Let's use this tree. So I clicked on that and I got the URL here. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we didn't have to change much. We just swapped the cv2. Let me add a comment. So initially it was this image is equal to cv2.imread, and then I had a photo.jpg. Okay, this is how we loaded from file system, but now we are trying to read it from a URL on the internet. Okay, so let's save this and then let's come here and run again. So if everything works fine, nice. So we have our tree loaded here. Now it is surprising what you are seeing on my screen what the OpenCV window is showing and what is actually being shown on the website from which we download the image. And the reason is that this OpenCV treats colors in the order BGR, the blue channel, the green channel, and the red channel. But the sklearn module treats colors in the order of RGB, red, green, and blue. So actually, OpenCV has swapped the red, green, and blue channels of this image around. That is why you are seeing something that doesn't look completely like what you saw on the website. But I will show you how to convert between color spaces, and then you will know how to fix this issue. But at least the focus has been achieved. We were able to load an image from a URL, and it's actually a blessing that we've seen this problem. Okay, I'll show you how to fix this in another video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.